Welcome to KoinKoin. In this video, we will show you how to use our KoinKoin website to make cryptocurrency exchange. First of all, go to www.koinkoin.com using your desktop computer or mobile phone. You can log in directly or via an existing Gmail account, or create an account with your email if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, go to Accounts page, click Account, and get verified by completing the form and submitting your national ID and/or passport along with any proof of address. Once submitted, wait for our KYC/AML team, Know Your Customer/Anti-Money Laundering, to fully check your details. If you pass the KYC/AML, you will receive an email indicating your account has been approved for trading. Now you can begin trading. Go to the Wallets page and make a cash/fiat deposit directly by hitting deposit against the currency of choice. For the sake of this video, we will use NGN to show a user making a deposit. Once deposit is complete, user will receive funds which will show in account. You are now ready to trade. To make a quick exchange from your fiat into crypto, go to the exchange page and instantly change your fiat for BTC, ETH, XRP or LTC. You can confirm coin has been deposited into your wallet on the Wallets page. For a market or limit order, peer-to-peer, go to the Markets page and simply execute your order with other market makers. Lastly, if you wish to send crypto to your friends or business associates or colleagues, simply go to the Wallets page and hit Send. Enter the address you wish to send funds to and complete the transaction. It will be received in minutes. If you wish to receive crypto, simply go to your Wallets page and hit Receive on the crypto you wish to receive and copy your wallet address, which you can give to the party sending you crypto. Once crypto is received, you can trade it directly as shown earlier or exchange for cash, which you can withdraw if need be by hitting the Withdraw button on the Wallets page. To learn more about how to use this platform, go to the How It Works page, where you will find a wealth of information on how to use this platform. I hope you have learned how to use our platform. Now make a deposit and start trading for profit today. Thank you for watching, and welcome to KoinKoin.